Did you know that the Philippines is home to both the largest and smallest bat species in the world? This is the giant golden crowned flying fox. And when I say giant, I mean giant. These guys can have a wingspan of up to 6 feet and often get mistaken as birds. And on the opposite end of the spectrum, we have the Philippines bumblebee bat. This little guy is so small, it can fit in the palm of your hand. So if you're ever in the Philippines, make sure to keep your eyes open for these incredible flying creatures